What's up guys, Eric from B-Side. Today I have here the Shiftpower throttle response controller. I'm going to be installing this to this 2011 Lexus GX 460. It's going to be a plug and play install. It just takes a few minutes to install. It's very simple. I'm going to walk you through it, and I'm also going to demonstrate how this works. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so before we get started, make sure your vehicle is turned off. If you like, go ahead and turn off your vehicle, step out of the vehicle, lock it, and then unlock it, open the door, and come back in, just to ensure that there's no current going through your acceleration pedal. And once you have done that, you need to find the plug right behind your acceleration pedal. So you're just gonna go in here, go really deep inside, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put my hand in there. The release tab on this is on the back side, so I'm gonna use my finger, press on the release tab, and pull up. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that now. All right, so I got it out. Here is how it looks. And once you get that out, grab your kit, and then inside here you'll find two instruction manual, one in Spanish, one in English. And you also find your harness here with the module already attached. And then this is our control button. So let's go ahead and first connect the control button. All right, and then these are our T-harness. We're gonna connect the factory connector into this, and then we're gonna connect this into the acceleration pedal. Try to match it to that, and then this one, let's go in here. All right, that's it, and everything's connected. Now we are going to just tuck this away behind this and then find a good place for the switch. So how we're going to find a good place for the switch, let me do some test fitting. We are going to set it right here. Okay, in order to set that, we're going to route the wire behind this panel here. And to remove this panel, all you have to do is just grab the corner here and just pull it towards you, just like that. We're going to route this. We're just going to leave this in here in this pocket for now, and then let's go ahead and tuck all this. Okay, let's get this back. There's also some zip ties that's enclosed with the kit if you like to use it, but for this vehicle it doesn't seem like it's necessary. I'm gonna have the wire come out of here and make sure it doesn't mess with this. Perfect. Okay, then you just go down there and make sure everything's tucked in nicely. Now that we finished installing this, all we have to do is grab your phone, download the application, and configure the phone to connect to this device. And then that concludes the installation. So after you turn on the engine, what you want to do is download the Shiftpower application. And how you do that is go to your app here. I already went ahead and searched it, Shiftpower VALET, and then go ahead and press the install and then open. And after you open up the app, you want to click on this vehicle button, and then you'll find it. You'll find your Shiftpower device. Go ahead and connect it. It's going to ask you for the password, and the password is going to be written on the user manual, first page. Go ahead and pair it, and then you will select your vehicle, Tacoma, and then once you selected it, you'll notice that it's already on green. So every time you press the button, your app will change real time. Sport, Super Sport, that's orange, and then Race, that's red. Press it again, it'll turn white, which is turned off. And let me give you a little example. So at the off position, if you accelerate, you can see the vehicle's acceleration and Shiftpower's acceleration. It's going to be the same. And then you press it once, it'll jump to 25%. And you'll notice that the Shiftpower acceleration is going to be a little bit more than the original. All right, there it is. Press it one more time. Sport, it's going to be more aggressive. Super Sport, even more aggressive. and then race. Super aggressive, very sensitive. And you can also fine tune this setting by going to the setting button here, most settings. So if there's a specific percentage that you would rather prefer, you could go ahead and change it over here. And then on top of that, you can change the throttle curve to be linear, which is straight, dynamic, or exponential, which has the most easing in curve. So exponential will probably be the easiest to drive, unless of course you're just trying to peel out and do donuts. It will want it to be linear. So exponential, we'll try at race. So with exponential, the acceleration will build up more as you're pushing it down more. Okay, on top of that, we also have what's called a valet mode. So at the valet mode, you can actually adjust how much percentage is the maximum acceleration, between 15 to 45% when you're valeting your vehicle, so that you don't have to worry about the valet driver peeling out with your car and being reckless with it. And at the same time, we also have the throttle lock mode. So when you lock your throttle, this is for a secondary theft deterrent device. Say that they get your engine turned on, and even when they accelerate, nothing is going to happen to the vehicle. It won't move. So we just installed the Shiftpower throttle response controller on this 2011 Lexus GX. Gonna go for the first initial test drive by Walter. As you can see, it's turned off right now. Alright, then let me try to 50%.
It's a little bit more responsive.
Oh, alright. And then 75%.
Oh, wow. Instant. Okay.
And then we'll go all the way to 100.
Okay. Yeah. No more lag and delay. The throttle response is definitely a lot better. I like it.
Alright.
How about let me just turn off. Oh wow. Once you turn it off, it feels like you step on it, there's nothing. So slow.
Big difference, huh?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I wonder how this is going to feel when I'm going off-roading. That should be interesting.
Yes.
Definitely a big difference. Noticeable difference. Like it. Now I feel like I have a V8.